Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and today I'm really excited to give you a tour of this stunning Audi Q2 Technik finished in the incredible Tango Red metallic paint. As you can see, this car finishes stunning in this red paint, one of my favourites on the Q2. And starting at the front, we have the stunning LED headlights, making sure you have maximum visibility on all of your journeys. With the 16-inch alloy wheels in 5-spoke design, as well as the door mirrors which have the integrated LED side indicators. They're also folding and electrically adjustable. In the back we have the really nice side pillar blades in the silver grey. And then moving on to the back of the car, it also comes with rear parking sensors to make sure you can get this mini SUV in any parking spot as easy as possible. And the boot space here, you can see we have a really huge spacious boot, and it is really handy if you do go on any shopping trips, as we have a power operated tailgate, so it comes down there automatically with a push of a button. And moving on to the incredible interior, it feels like an absolute luxury for the drivers and passengers with the really comfortable front seats, as you can see, as well as the inlays which are actually in diamond finish silver grey, as well as the Audi badging there on the dash. This surrounds the Multimedia Interface with some amazing features such as DAB digital radio for your entertainment, as well as telephone Bluetooth Connect for hand-free calls on the go, external media player if you do want to plug your phone in there, and we also have Audi Drive Select, which allows the driver to put the car into any mode they would like, for example dynamic for that sportier drive. Just below here we have the manual climate control, which is really accessible for both the driver and passenger, as well as the really nice 6-speed gearbox which is leather wrapped, as well as the electromechanical parking brake. And moving on to the driver's side, we have this stunning cockpit display with the telephone, radio and nav. This is all controlled by the multifunctional steering wheel. It also comes with cruise control, making this car an absolute dream for long motorway drives, as well as the automatic light system, making your journeys a little bit easier, as well as the electric door mirror controls. We also can't forget the SOS button, really accessible on the roof there if you do need any roadside assistance. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on, so please call 012 54 868 216.